MI-15004 Electric Sit-Stand Desk with Drawer. Installation. Step 1. On a flat and open section of the floor, position the legs and desktop in the configuration as shown. Connect the legs to the desktop and tighten them until they're secure using the provided bolts and hex wrench. Step 2. To attach the transmission rod, loosen the knob and then insert the knob into the hex hole on the left leg, and turn the transmission rod counterclockwise until the left leg goes to the lowest position. Insert the transmission rod into the slot on the right leg motor. Secure the transmission rod to the slot by tightening the pre-installed set screw using the provided small hex wrench. Then, tighten the knob. Step 3. Attach the feet to the legs. Step 4. Connect the power lines as shown. Attach the cable clips to the underside of the desktop as needed. Step 5. Flip the assembly over and connect the power cable to a wall outlet. Follow the reset procedure before operating the desk. Press and hold the down button for 5 seconds and the screen will show RES. Continue holding until the desk goes down to its lowest level and comes back up slightly. Press the up or down button to adjust the unit to your desired position. Press the S button and then press the standing or sitting button to save the height. Change display height units. Press and hold the S button until a flashing S dash is displayed. Press S again and UN is displayed. Press S to select it. Press the up or down arrow to switch between IN, imperial measurements, and SI, metric measurements. And press S to save your choice. Change collision detection sensitivity. Press and hold the S button until a flashing S dash is displayed. Press S again and UN is displayed. Press the up or down arrows to switch to CF and press S to select it. Press the up or down arrows to switch between off, low, normal, and high sensitivity. Press S to save your choice.